Many years ago, we did the canyon down there, Butterbox Canyon. Before we started, I was a little bit worried because our friends had done it the week before and they couldn't find the exit. They ended up right down there in the Grose Valley at the river and had to stay overnight. So, with a bit of trepidation, we did the canyon. It was big, but it was doable. But then, getting out was the epic part. First, you have to find a ramp. I sat on a rock and watched butterflies while Stephen explored around and found the ramp. So the ramp is like this rock ledge right on the edge of the cliff. A ramp is probably a generous description. So we got up that ramp. You had to free climb along the edges, up, didn't fall off, and then got up to this bit here. And then there's no tracks. So it's just scrub and rocks and cliffs and edges, and you just kept going our way around and around and around, and yay, we eventually made it to the car park.